Hello everyone, welcome to Data Center Daily by MSP TV, your monthly bulletin about data center work. I'm your new host Amisha and I will be filling for Nitin today. Let's get started. But wait, before we begin, let me tell you that this episode is brought to you by mspwebstore.com. Do visit the store for power backup solutions for home and businesses and also for the accessories related to data centers. Let us begin with our first story, and it is coming from India ISP SIFI Technologies, and our source is www.datacenterdynamics.com. According to the news, SIFI Technologies plans to do more than double its data center footprint in the country over the next few years. The Nasdaq-listed company said it plans to add 200 megawatts in the next 4 years. It plans to build a combination of hyperscale and retail facilities in Mumbai, Delhi, and Bengaluru. SIFI Technologies expanded into the data center business in the year 2000. SIFI has built and operated 10 career-neutral data centers, currently offering more than 70 megawatt of capacity. Its first data center in Vashi recently completed 21 years of uninterrupted operation. Well, from MSP Group, we would like to congratulate SIFI for that. Moving on to our next story, which is coming from Equinix, and our source is datacenternews.asia. According to the news, Equinix has handed over 161 million to acquire 2 data centers located in Mumbai, India. The acquisitions enable Equinix to take its growing platform and to focus on accelerating the operations for businesses around the country. Equinix acquired GPX Global Systems, which includes a fiber-connected campus that supports the 2 data centers. As part of the acquisition, the company will establish Equinix India to be led by Managing Director Manoj Paul. Equinix India will transform the 2 data centers into International Business Exchange IBX facilities to be called MB1 and MB2. These data centers add an additional 90,000 square feet of colocation space, 1,350 cabinets plus 500 more cabinets at build-out. The global IBX network hosts more than 350 businesses, including cloud service providers, internet service providers, and internet exchanges. Equinix also plans to launch Equinix Connect, Equinix Internet Exchange, Metro Connect, Equinix Fabric, and Network Edge in the new data centers. Before I move on to the next story, please hit the subscribe button and you'll never miss a story. And for those who have done it, thank you so much. Now, for our next story, it confirms one of our previous stories from the last episode about digital reality and Brookfield Infrastructure joint venture in India. And our source is again datacenternews.asia. Digital Reality and Brookfield Infrastructure have confirmed the joint venture in India, which will enable Digital Reality to push into the Indian market and take advantage of a rapidly growing data center market. The venture named BAN Digital Reality will facilitate the expansion of Digital Reality's global data center platform Digital. The joint venture expands Brookfield Infrastructure's significant global data infrastructure portfolio, which currently includes $23 billion in assets across data transmission, distribution, and storage, including a portfolio of 139,000 operational telecom wireless towers in India, which it intends to expand to 175,000 over the near term, comments Brookfield Infrastructure's Managing Director and Head of India and Middle East, Arpit Agarwal. Now quickly heading on to our next news from Trend Micro, our source is livemint.com. Cybersecurity company Trend Micro Inc. said on 21st September that it has launched its first Cloud One regional data center in India to uphold data sovereignty and safeguard data privacy in the country. The data center is aimed at helping enterprise securely adopt the software as a service SaaS based security framework. Cloud One is Trend Micro's flagship cloud security services platform for protecting servers, resources, and applications in the cloud. Trend Micro claims to be one of the top security vendors to have the broadcast set of services around cloud security delivered out of India. This move follows Trend Micro's launch of the regional XDR data lake in India last year. India is a significant market for us, and to reinforce our commitment towards our customers in India, we have launched Trend Micro Cloud One Data Center for Indian region. It helps simplify cloud security for our vast clientele, especially in BFSI, government and other regulated sectors, said Vijendra Katiyar, Country Manager India and SAARC, Trend Micro. And before we move on to our last story for the day, let me quickly remind you that our D for Data Center Season 2 has begun, where you can learn step-by-step process of how data center is built, and you can watch the episode with the links below and follow for updates. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And now the last story for the day from Techno Electric and Engineering Company Planning. The Economic Times of India reported that the company is planning to invest $1 billion in developing data centers across a number of major Indian cities. We will be leveraging our renewable resource possessions throughout the nation to guarantee these information centers' tasks are 100% powered by renewable resources and stay carbon neutral. With this goal, we have actually settled a strategy to establish 250 megawatts of information centers throughout India over the next 5 years, said Ankit Saraya, Whole-Time Director, TEECL. Techno is aiming to develop facilities in and around Mumbai, Hyderabad, Pune, National Capital Area, NCR, Chennai and even Kolkata. Well, that is it for today's episode of Data Center Daily by MSP TV. Keep yourself and your loved ones safe. Thank you for watching the video. I'm Amisha signing off.